Good morning and welcome back to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Like I told you, I was going to have a surprise for you today for Taco Wednesday. Now, I did on Sunday purchase a store brand, it's not store brand, one of my favorite salsas, but I was a little bored and I am going to be making fire roasted salsa today to go with dinner and for chips and stuff later. If I don't keep my fingers out of it, later. Yeah. So, let me show you what I got going on here. Just got back from Bel Air. Roma tomatoes, which I will core and half. Jalapenos, serranos, which I will half and clean. No seeds, no other stuff, pith or whatever. Red onion, limes for lime juice, garlic, cilantro. This is all the fresh goodies. Be using a food processor in batches. There's my handy dandy citrus squeezer. We'll be using California Olive Ranch olive oil to help with the roasting, some kosher salt, some fresh ground black pepper, Mexican oregano, possibly a little bit of cumin, and I'm playing with the idea of using some local spiceries, smoked paprika, and also local spicery chipotle chili powder. I'm still debating on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to produce a video going through the process of making this fire roasted salsa today. This is live, but the rest of it will not be. But I will post up a video later on today, if not early this evening, showing you how this all goes together. It's really simple. You saw the ingredients, extremely simple. Hello and welcome back. I've been a little busy with the fire roasted salsa. Let's take a look. I have cored and halved the Roma tomatoes. I have basically hand tossed them lightly in olive oil, kosher salt, and black pepper. The awaiting sheet pan. I have did a rough chop on some cilantro. There's the freshly squeezed lime juice. And here are the peppers, both jalapeno and serrano, and the red onion, ready for the kosher salt, black pepper, and just a drizzle of olive oil to coat them before they go onto this empty sheet pan. They will go into the oven for some time until the skins, that's why they will be all put down, cut side down on the sheet pans. That way the skins roast, fire roast. Yes, so be right back. Okay, we're ready to go into the oven. Let's take a look. The Roma tomatoes, the jalapenos, the serranos, and the red onion will be going into the hot box at 400 degrees, probably for 12, 15 or so minutes. So let's hit a spell while these do their thing. So the next step that I've just completed is roasting and broiling the tomatoes, the peppers, and the onions. Let's take a look. And here we go. The tomatoes, the peppers, both jalapeno and serrano, and the red onion. So this next will happen. I'm going to let these cool off for a little bit. And then in batches, I'm going to put them in the food processor, get them chopped up, and then I'm going to put them in this beautiful stainless steel bowl, and we'll mix them together. So, till next time. Well, I've just gone to the next step after the veggies cooled. Let's take a look. I have already pureed the tomatoes. Smell good. And I'm just about ready to puree or chop the peppers and onion, which I will add to the tomatoes. We have some cilantro and some garlic. And next step. So I went ahead and did a pulse, several pulses on the onions and the peppers, and then I added it to the tomatoes and give a good stir. And this is what it looks like. I also added the cilantro when I did the pulse. So yummies. The next step I'm going to be doing is adding the herbs and spices to the salsa. So here's the final product of the fire roasted salsa by Casual Chef. Just so you know, the only herbs and spices that I used, oops, let me get my notes here, are ground cumin, some smoked paprika, Mexican oregano, and good old kosher salt and black pepper. I will get this recipe up in the group for you to enjoy. So on this day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun.